The conspiracy theory not only features core improvements and dynamic core, it also introduces a newly developed cover stock technology. The new TP1 cover is also a textured pearl cover stock and allows the conspiracy theory to pick up a heavy roll like a solid and have a big back end recovery like a pearl.
Today I'm rolling the conspiracy theory. My layout for the ball is 10 by 4 by 30. The first impressions of this ball, this is a very smooth ball. Like the way it goes down lane to action on the back end there. Where I would use this ball, probably, this could be the first ASIM out of my bag. Possibly I would put it in the middle of the pack. I'd have a conspiracy solid. I'd go with the conspiracy theory followed by the conspiracy pearl or hybrid. Where it fits in the bag, it's for me probably it's going to be one of my ASIM benchmark balls for now. Although again, it could be first one out the bag depending on what's happening out there, or as I say, further down the block, if you will. This ball has dynamic core. It also has a new cover stock designated TP1, and Radical modified the weight block and the density of the original conspiracy weight block, so you can definitely see the added performance that you get out of it. The combination of the cover stock and the dynamic core, it's a beautiful thing to behold.